In today's video, I'm wanting to teach you how to change the order of items in the store on Squarespace. If you want to control how your products appear in your online shop, Squarespace makes that process very simple. Reordering products can be helpful if you want to feature certain items first, organize your store visually, or make seasonal and best-selling products more prominent for visitors. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and how to rearrange your items. To get started, log into your Squarespace site dashboard. Once you're inside the main admin area, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Website. This section is where you manage the structure and content of your site, including the pages that visitors can access. After that, click on Pages. This will open the full page list for your website, including your navigation, hidden pages, and any store-related sections connected to your site. If you have several pages, take a moment to find the one labeled Shop. Next, click on Shop. This opens the shopping area for your site where your products are listed and managed. From here, you'll be able to adjust how the products are arranged. This is especially useful if you want a custom display order instead of relying on automatic sorting. Now, once you're inside the shop section, simply drag and drop the product to rearrange it. Click and hold the product you want to move, then drag it to the new position in the list. When you release it, Squarespace will update the order based on where you placed it. As you do this, think about the customer experience. For example, you may want to place your newest products near the top, group similar items together, or move your most important listings into more visible positions. A well-organized store can make browsing easier and help direct attention where you want it. If the change doesn't appear immediately on the live site, give it a moment and refresh the page to confirm the update. In most cases, the new order is applied right away. And that's all it takes to change the order of items in your Squarespace store. Just go to Website, open Pages, click on Shop, and drag and drop your products into the order you want. It's a quick adjustment, but it can make a big difference in how your store looks and how customers interact with it.